everyone, my name is Yasmin Lunat. I am a final year student in the BDS degree at the dental faculty at the University of the Western Cape. We are currently at Tygerberg Hospital at the Oral Healthcare Centre, and this is one of the cubicles that students are assigned to in our clinical sessions. There are approximately 76 cubicles on B floor, and there are other cubicles on C floor and D floor. We were all assigned for different clinics. I remember in first year when I was walking through this building for orientation, I would look around at all the cubicles in the corridors, and I could see all the final years or the fourth years with their baskets and running between patients. And I actually couldn't wait to get to that point in this degree until fourth year actually came. Jumping from third year to fourth year was a major step, because when you come into fourth year, you are at an honors degree student level, because usually people your age are done with university after 3 years, after their third year. And when you're coming into fourth year, you're still in your degree. But the expectations that supervisors have, or your lecturers have of you, is that of an honors degree student. Clinically, if you manage to manage your time wisely in third year, or make that adjustment into clinics in terms of patient interaction, time management, studying, then fourth year does become slightly easier, but fourth year's workload is insane. So when you come into this degree, everyone will tell you that fourth year is probably the hardest years. For me personally, it was hard to stay motivated mentally, because you have a lot of modules that you're covering. So you are covering, or you are scaffolding on modules like your maxillofacial and oral surgery, your perio work. You're scaffolding all your work from all the years, and you're building up, and all that knowledge is so important, because you take all of that and come into clinics, and you have so many patients that you need to see. So it's all about balancing your studying and your theory, making sure you're reading your notes, knowing what you're doing in clinics, as well as coming to the clinics and actually implementing everything that you are taught. And on top of that, having that mental energy and drive to finish the day, go back home and study for tests and assignments and all other different assignments that you have from your different modules. So fourth year is very challenging. It is one of the most challenging years that I have experienced, and towards the end of the year you just want it to be over. But once you finish fourth year and come into final year, life is so much easier as a student, because you have found your ground in the clinics, and you can actually be confident in managing a patient. And particularly for me, going on the train, on the Bella Pepper train, was amazing, because we got to experience a completely different situation, but still use all the skills that we were given at the faculty. But once again, coming into final year, you just come in with so much confidence after fourth year, and your supervisors let you do what you want in clinics and guide you, but you're also entitled to make a decision for your patients. And I think that's a very important thing, because it gives you the confidence as a final year student with a patient in your chair. So although it's a very strenuous degree and you'll feel extremely exhausted on some days, the benefits always outweigh the negative aspects in the degree, in that when you go home after a day of clinics, you feel that satisfaction and that contentment, because you actually help someone in the day, and you meet different patients. You'll meet patients in your prosthetics clinic, in your oral surgery clinics, in your PEDS clinics. There are different patients across all the clinics, all coming with different problems, and knowing that you help someone during the day is the best feeling to have when you exit the building, which is one of the biggest benefits of this degree that I feel every day when I leave the faculty. So I would encourage everyone to come to the dental faculty and see what it's all about.
I want to extend a warm welcome to our prospective students. My name is Janka Matthijssen, and I'm a final year dentistry student at the Faculty of Dentistry at the University of the Western Cape. Today we are in our preclinical prosthetics lab, as you can see behind me. So today I'm going to show you, we've got some instruments and materials and what we do in this lab. So what we do is we construct dentures or false teeth for our patients. So what we do is we take impressions of our patients' mouths to get some models. From these models we construct with wax a prototype with false teeth embedded into it, which we will try into the patient's mouth. Then if any changes does not need to be made, we send it off for flasking, and then the dentures are turned into acrylic and the patients get sent home with this. So this is the end product, the final product that we are left with. So usually during our first year, it's a very academic year. In our second year and the late end of the second year and third year, we start treating patients and it becomes a more clinical degree. But in the first year, we focus on our basics. It's the foundation year. So then we have simple subjects like chemistry, physics, life sciences, and some languages like Xhosa or Afrikaans. So then in our second year, we start to learn how to construct dentures, and also we start working on each other, our clinical partners that we have, students, just normal students, and we start practicing on each other. This is the plaster room. It forms part of our preclinical prosthetics labs. So once we've taken impressions of our patients to construct dentures of false teeth, we compare the models in this lab, and this is what we end up with. So what we'll do is we'll grind and balance the model and use this model to construct the denture. So once the denture is done and finished, we also complete it in this lab where we polish it and make it nice and smooth and shiny for our patients.